Polaris. Tonight marks the 6-month anniversary of Nefton and Vendra Prague.
Slow news day.
Those of you without short-term memory issues will recall how the two fraternal twins kidnapped the company's CEO, leading to the arrest of the company's CEO. Polaris Defense Captain Talwyn Apogee told reporters that Nesk's current whereabouts are still unknown. Will she save herself by cooperating with authorities and revealing the location of her twin brother and his hostage?
What? No!
Well, you were right. We must have picked up some tropes when we flew through the asteroid belt. What do you think? So, all right, let's get to it.
What are those?
Incoming Holocaust.
This isn't funny!
You know, you laughed the first time I did that.
You know, it wasn't funny the first time.
Our sensors.
Yeah, that was my bad. Tried to save time by piloting through an ass field.
Then you'd better take her out of cryosleep now. The better. You turn her over to the Vartax guards, the faster. She's cold and empty. Promise me you won't go near her without Kronk and Zephyr, okay?
Did you hang back while Kronk and I wake up Vendra?
6.5 hours later.
It's her!
Sir, we are within striking distance of the Nebulox.
I was not aware of that.
3, 2, 1. Mark.
I play Pokemon Go every day. I play Pokemon.
Whoops. Wrong button. I had to bribe elected officials.
You are the muscle.
I mean, what the fuck is a muscle?